In 1979, the small depot of Harper Station, West Virginia, shuttered its doors after a series of unsolved disappearances. Years later, a battered Remington typewriter was discovered in the abandoned ticket office. Local police dismissed it as junk, until the midnight caretaker, John Reddick, claimed it began typing on its own. Each night, the clatter echoed through the empty halls, producing cryptic messages. Find her, below the floor, and cold never forgets. Investigators returned, uncovering that every message matched phrases from missing person reports filed decades earlier. The most chilling, a typed confession signed with initials matching a long-dead station master, once suspected but never charged. Forensics confirmed the ribbon was unused and the keys untouched. Yet the station's logs documented the messages, written in ink matching no known source. To this day, no one spends the night at Harper's Station. Locals swear the typewriter still waits, desperate to finish its story. Want more terrifying true stories that you've never heard before? Follow @FrightFix84 on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok for new nightmares uploaded daily.